Do you feel trapped? Like no matter how hard you work, there's never enough money. Let me tell you this, you're not alone. Financial stress is one of the greatest struggles of our time. But here's the truth, it doesn't have to define your life. Today, I'm here as your guide, your leader, to help you take control of your financial future. This isn't just another video. This is your turning point, because unlocking financial freedom isn't just about money. It's about living life on your terms. Let's begin. Let's start with the basics. What does financial freedom mean? It's not about having millions in the bank or living a flashy lifestyle. It's about choice. The choice to wake up and do what you love. The choice to not live in constant fear of bills. For some, it's retiring early. For others, it's having the flexibility to take a day off without worry. Define it for yourself. Write it down. Because your vision, your why, is the fuel that will drive you forward. Now, here's the game changer. Financial freedom isn't a privilege. It's a process, and it's one you can achieve, starting today. I know how heavy financial struggles can feel. That crushing weight, the sleepless nights, the fear of checking your bank account. I've been there. And I want you to know this. You are not alone. But let me be clear. You don't have to stay in this place. You have the power to change your story. Yes, it's going to take effort. Yes, it might feel overwhelming, but the first step is deciding that you deserve better. You do. And today, we're going to rewrite your future. Listen carefully. Financial freedom starts in your mind. If you believe it's only for the wealthy or the lucky, you've already lost. But if you decide, right now, that you're capable of building wealth, you've taken the first step. Take control of your thoughts. Start visualizing your ideal life. Write down your goals. When you shift your mindset, you unlock a power most people overlook. And that power is unstoppable. Now, let's get practical. Financial freedom isn't a mystery, it's a system. Step 1. Budget. Know where every dollar is going. Write it down. Track it. Own it. Step 2. Save. Pay yourself first. Start with just 10% of your income if you can. Step 3. Invest. This is where the magic happens. Even small amounts grow over time. The earlier you start, the faster you'll see results. This system isn't complicated, but it's life-changing. Stick to it, and you'll see progress sooner than you think. This is where most people fail. Consistency. Life will throw challenges your way. Emergencies, setbacks, and temptations are inevitable. But champions, the people who achieve financial freedom, don't quit. When you feel discouraged, go back to your why. Remember the future you're building. Remember the freedom, the peace, the life you've always wanted. That's your fuel. That's your fire. Celebrate every step forward, no matter how small. Because every step is proof that you're on the right path. Financial freedom isn't just a dream. It's a choice to start where you are, with what you have, and commit to the process. You have what it takes. You've always had it. Today is your turning point. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start building your vision now. And remember, this isn't just about money. It's about your life, your legacy, your peace of mind. If this message resonated with you, take action. Like this video, subscribe for more life-changing insights, share it with someone who needs to hear this. This is the Vault Vision. Your freedom starts today. Let's make it happen.